name is Gloria Muscarella, and these are my little Happy Horse Toys string puppets. I would like to demonstrate to you how they work. As you can see, his little body is made out of yarn. He's got little wooden hooves. Okay, this is the top of the puppet, and as you can see, the little strings on the end are made to come out easily so that when they get tangled, because kids tangle them, they'll slip right back in. All you have to do is rock it back and forth like this. See, all you need to do is rock the little wooden crossbar back and forth, and his little wooden hooves flippity-flop. You can make him rear, you can make him buck. Okay, as you can see, the top row has our running horse, and he moves like this, and he has 4 wooden hooves. Our other horse is a little tap dancing horse, and he just has 2 wooden feet, and he's our little river dance clogger. As you can see, they're very easy and fun to play with them with. This one you just rock back and forth, and this one you just twist at the top. Now, I know the pink is not a normal color for a horse, but the little girls love him. And he will dance your way into your heart.